tonight we are completing all 10 houses. When I'm naked in 20 minutes, blame John.
Cheers everyone.
We've got express, so we are jumping this fucking queue.
I love goblins, but don't do mazes after you've had a drink because you get too confident.
John, how was museum for you?
We haven't done it yet. I'm so hot. It's growing on me, not gonna lie.
Yes! To a point where two were getting me at once. And the actors are on point tonight. Tonight was on point. That maze is on point tonight.
On point.
Point.
It's scary, I'm gonna poo.
Let's go. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. We are actually going to do a vlog today. I know I've said that for the last 5 days, but today we are doing a vlog for one reason and one reason only. We have the Scream Squad. We have Alison. Hello. We have John. We have Sean. We have Matt. And we have Zach with us. So guys, we have got the Scream Squad assembled. It's Zach's first time at HHN. We're going to show him how to do it properly. He's going to be fucked tonight. So, we'll see you.
Talking about our drinks? No.
What? But we're drinking a lot.
You want drinks from downstairs?
Oh yeah, what did you get?
I've got Little Boo, and this is
That's actually bigger than
Jack Daniel's pumpkin puree.
It's not nice.
I like it.
No, sorry. What was John drinking?
Yeah, Matt, when you look at that picture of that
Tequila.
It looks like it's in a little glass, doesn't it? Like, when you pour it in, I'm like, oh.
That's bullshit.
Oh shit, you said my Jack Daniel's is strong. When I'm naked in 20 minutes, blame John because I don't do tequila.
That's really strong.
It is, isn't it?
Should we have a tequila?
Should we have a little tequila and get naked at HHN?
No. No, my vlogs are PG-13.
Oh yeah. So check out his channel. He's a bit more PG. I'm not, so I don't give a fuck. See you at Fat Tuesdays. So I've got the bro.
Hello.
Hi. It's also my editor. So if the editing quality shit, blame him. Where are we going, Stu?
Fat Tuesdays, baby.
And then where are we going?
Harvey Horror Nights.
We're going to HHN and Fat Tuesday, so let's go.
My memory's not that good, but you can't ask me 2 things in a row. I'm surprised I remember the first location.
What's your bra size?
36D, baby, let's go.
Way. Alison, are you excited?
Yeah, we've got everyone together today. It's gonna be
Yeah, we've got the big Scream Squad. They're all up. Let's go see Sean. Let's go see Sean. Hi, babes. We're vlogging. Double vlog, vlog. Look at him. Look at him.
Okay, it's gonna get crazy. So we're on our way.
Woo! Got the whole Scream Squad. We've got the Scream Squad.
Mine is crazy.
I am
But I do
battered
love it.
already. Let's go. Fat Tuesdays. Let's go. Woo! Fat Tuesdays. You need a wee? Fat Tuesdays. You excited, Babs?
Yeah.
Are you not speaking?
Yes. No.
No, not speaking. Do I have consent to use this footage?
No, you do not.
Well, tough. I'm using it.
I don't really want to be in that.
Well, you're in it.
Yeah, I don't want to be in either.
Shut up.
I get number Sean.
Fat Tuesdays. Come to the UK, please.
Yeah, but why not? Take it on.
Come on, guys. Fat Tuesdays.
Cheers everyone.
Where's Princess?
Princess is in the Epic Universe shop. Yeah, that's Zach. He's in the Epic Universe shop.
Yeah, we're saving that for next week. We haven't done it yet, so we haven't done it
yet.
Editor. Do you like this side boob? Well, you shouldn't, because that's my side boob. Here's some small tits. Here's some big tits. Small tits. No tits. My tits. Big tits.
That's
bigger tits.
That's not going in the vlog. That's no.
No.
Thank you. It's not going in the vlog.
Well, what happens if I edit my own vlog for once, say?
That's not happening, is it?
No, it's not. Mr. Editor.
Editor.
Here you go. Now we're rolling. Let's go. Let's go. Gringotts, let's go!
I'm so hot.
Yeah, I know you are, Babs.
I'm literally sweating. I think Martin put something in my drink.
I did not put any ketamine in your drink. I do not share drugs. They're all for myself.
Okay. I'm glad to know that. I'm literally physically dripping in sweat.
Does this cloth smell like chloroform?
You've done that trick to me already.
I know, I get you every time with it. Oh my god, we're in the extended queue for Express. Stu, we're in extended queue for Express. So we are in extended queue for Express. It is Thursday night. This is a busy night. I have not seen Express. Ali, how are you feeling?
I'm slightly merry.
Slightly merry.
That's a hot dog, isn't it?
But yes, what you were just saying about the queue for this, we've not queued Express in this bit.
Yeah, since Chucky last year, and that was shit. This is good though. I'm gonna go at the front and I'm gonna press all the buttons. Let's go. So we have just come out of Major Sweets. That was an amazing run through. Stu, what did you think to Major Sweets tonight?
Yeah, really good. The actors are really active, so really fun maze. A bit short, but it's the best one that's been inside the Fast and Furious.
Apart from Run 4, that was amazing.
Well, that wasn't in Fast and Furious.
No, it was in Transport, the same building.
Fast and
Same
Furious.
building. Alison, what did you think to Major Sweets tonight?
Tonight, that wasn't the best run through for me.
Oh my god, I had a good run through that.
No. Would you agree?
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Zach, as a HHM virgin, what did you think to Major Sweets?
Pretty good, not gonna lie.
Yeah, did you enjoy it?
I did, yeah.
Did you scream?
No, that was you doing all that.
I was screaming a lot in there tonight. Right, let's go and do Gringotts.
Oh, sorry.
What was that, Ads? What was that, Adam Kerridge? You grind him at him? Filth. So I've taken over Out and Back travel vlog as well, so make sure you subscribe to RTID. We are going on Gringotts and we've got Express, so we are jumping this fucking queue. Let's go, guys! Why are you filming? Oh, see, we're filming. So we have just done Goblin and Lady Monsters. Zach, what did you think to those mazes tonight?
Yeah, they're a lot of fun.
They're a lot of fun.
Yeah, indeed.
How fun is HHN?
It's growing on me, not gonna lie.
Yes! Next year he'll be in every vlog for the full 7 nights that we do HHN. Yeah, he will. Wait, let's go see what the rest of the guys thought. Guys, what did you think to Goblin and Lady Monsters?
Lady Monsters.
It is Lady Monsters!
I liked it. I liked it.
They're so good, aren't they? The actors are on point tonight.
On point.
Point. They're on point. Stu, Alison, John, what did you all think to Goblin and Lady Monsters?
I love goblins, but don't do mazes after you've had a drink because you get too confident and then you don't get scared, and now I'm fucking disappointed.
Okay, so Alison's pro tip is do not get too drunk. Where my pro tip is get pissed, because then you let your inhibition go and you scream.
But that's why I've not been scared, because I'm walking through the mazes really cocky.
Like Cockney Joe.
Really cocky going. Didn't
Like
get
Cockney
me.
Joe.
You didn't get me. Didn't get me.
What? No,
See?
didn't get her. See, didn't get her. Normally that would get her. Stu, where's my editor? Editor
I'm
Stu,
the editor.
You're not my editor, Sean. Fuck off. Editor Stu, what did you think?
I was going to say,
What did you think of Goblins?
I had a lot to drink, Mark. It's been a long night.
I like the costumes in Goblins
Thank you.
are wicked.
Yeah, the costumes are that.
Yeah?
I think they're really making an effort in those two houses to kind of bring the set
Do you know
to life,
what?
'cause they're new and tense.
Yeah, so the new spring tents are insane. It's a long fucking walk, as you can see. We're 1 minute 43 into the walk back. Sean, what do you want to say?
I'm hot, I'm sweaty.
And he's got chafe.
No, and I haven't got my ID with me, so I can't get a drink.
Bad,
Did you
bad
get scared?
move.
A couple of times.
See, you don't even get scared when you piss.
No.
Sean, what's your YouTube channel?
Tube.
Chupa Tube. Chupa Tube. Go follow Chupa Tube.
Chubba chub.
Chubba Chub. Way. He's got a cauliflower dick. Stu, edit that out as well. No, leave that one in. Stu, leave that in. Leave the So, we are now on Maze 4, which is Slaughter Sinema 2. Alison, are you looking forward to this?
I just want to scare.
She's too pissed to be scared. Stu, you looking forward to Slaughter Sinema 2?
Yeah, should be good. Should be good. Looking forward to mummy strippers.
Mummy strippers!
Oh
Yes!
yeah, we've got that in here, haven't we?
We've got mummy strippers unwrapped. They're sexy. They're a bit bony though. Let's go. So we've just come out of Slaughter Sinema 2 and oh my god, that maze is on point tonight. Literally, HHM 33 has probably been one of the best years for mazes. There's only 1 week one and we're about to do it now, and that is museum. Yeah, but let's go do museum. Let's see what everyone else thought of Slaughter Sinema 2. Let's go. Stu, what did you think of Slaughter Sinema 2?
Very active tonight, very good, very kind of consistent with the hits. So yeah, really good run through that. It was pretty good.
Did you scream like a girl? Because I did.
I screamed like a little girl, yeah. So always do though, to be fair.
Were you grabbing onto Mr. Carriage?
I was grabbing onto Mr. Carriage.
It's really funny. Obviously we've got Zach with us. Zach just shit himself like a little princess that he is in that maze. I could even smell it, it was that bad. Alison? What did you think Slaughter Sinema 2 tonight?
Don't drink and come to horror nights because it's not fun and you get no scares.
She gets too brave when she had a few drinks, where I lose my inhibition and scream even more. Anyway, we're gonna go and do museum, let's go. We got the Scream Squad! Scream Squad! Scream Squad! Hey!
Still hot and sweaty.
Still hot and sweaty. John, how was museum for you?
We haven't done it yet.
Not museum, Slaughter Sinema 2. Wait, how was it?
I want you to be in mine now.
It's good, yeah? I got John though. So we have just done Maze 5 museum. Alison, what did you think to museum tonight? What did you think to museum tonight?
Better, but I still not had a scare yet tonight.
Yeah, so museum was not great for me. I didn't get any scares. It's just too light. You can see everything coming in that maze. If they just turn the lights down a little bit more, it'd be perfect.
And then the scares that they do too frequent so you can see them.
Waiting outside and minute black.
Oh! Just done 3 mazes back to back. We did Monstrous. What do you think of that one, Stu?
So good. Such a kind of high energy performance of that.
Yeah, it was really high energy tonight. Some really good scares in there.
The quite good.
Then we did A Quiet Place. Now, the other day, Stu did not like A Quiet Place. What did you think of A Quiet Place today?
A good run through. All the effects triggered just before I got there, so they were resetting as I was going through.
But tonight?
Perfect. good run. Got some good jumps in there. So yeah, really impressive. Really interesting to see what was done with the that kind of franchise of BBs.
Yeah, and then we have. Then we just done Ghostbusters. What do you think of Ghostbusters?
So good.
Tonight was on point.
Yeah, it's a bit tamer because the IPs that are family like Strange Things or Ghostbusters usually are a bit more accessible. Horror Nights, if you're coming as your first time, start with your Ghostbusters, start with Stranger Things, but it's a bit easier, isn't it?
Yeah! So Ghostbusters is very fun. It's jumpy, but it's a fun jump, if that
But
makes
they got
sense.
us good tonight. It was
But
so
they
good.
got Stu so good. I wish we could film in the houses.
There was one point where two were getting me at once and one
You got double penetrated in Ghostbusters.
I couldn't go, but I had nowhere to go but the floor.
Right, we're going to go and do triplets, and then tonight we are completing all 10 houses by finishing on Insidious. Stu, are you looking forward to triplets and Insidious?
No, they're scary. I'm going to poo.
Let's go. So we just done Triplets of Fear. What do you think of that one, Stu?
They were pretty intense tonight, wasn't it? There was a bit of a gap between the group in front of us and us, so we got a lot of attention.
Yes, that was one of my strongest runs through triplets. But we are going to finish tonight on the one, the only, Insidious. Stu, are you looking forward to this?
It's too much, but we'll see how it
I
goes.
cannot wait for Insidious. Fingers crossed that these guys get the run that I got on Sunday night, because that was insane. Anyway, let's go do Insidious, guys. So, my voice hurts. All 10 houses complete. Stu, what did you think to Insidious tonight?
Voice hurts was screaming. It was so good. I mean, there was a little gap, wasn't there? So,
Somebody might have gapped it, so obviously because I've had a good run for Insidious, I knew to gap it, so I held back a couple so that we got a really good run. So me and Stu were at the front of our group. We got hit.
everything from both sides at once. I always love when a Halloween Horror Nights gets you on both sides.
What's been your favourite house night, Stu?
Insidious, Lady Monsters.
Yeah. It's been a good night. We're going to go and finish in a tribute store, then we're going to ride Mummy, and then we are up in 6 hours to go to Busch Gardens and Howl-O-Scream. So we will see you in the morning. Let's leave it here. Good night, guys. Goodbye.